They are able to transport, transmute, and bring something back in a bigger way, kind of like a soul retrieval. Anything that we've lost in our lives, or anytime we've given our power away, or the pain that we've all experienced, when we do shine a light with our new selves, we're able to take that and work it like alchemists. Alchemy, which I talk about in my programs of Alchemy of Mixed Media, which I did for years and years. And I'm always saying it's the internal as much as the external. When we just keep it external, it's shallow. When we go into the internal and like structure and release, and we're just like throwing paint on a canvas, it's not the discernment of the sophistication as artists that we might be looking for. And there is a balance that we can strike. So our imaginary facilities, our creativity, I believe, are the number one thing in a way.